You want to learn how to charge $40 to $60 a haircut? Keep watching and I'll show you every step you got to do. For people who don't know me, I go by Crispy Johns with the crispy cut. You see it? I'm going to teach you every step on how to get to the next level. And this tutorial is very simple, but very detailed, I guess you could say. Detailed. It's the main key. And we're going to do a low taper. We're going to do it with the beard. We're going to do a crispy lineup. As you can tell, I'm not at the shop because of the whole virus going on. It's shutting down all the barbershops. But, you know, the grind don't stop. We keep going, no matter. And if you don't have me on IG, follow my IG is at Crispy Johns, KRISPYJOHNZ. All right, we're starting with the one closed all the way all around the head. And yeah, we're just basically lowering down the sides a little bit. It's too bulky. Okay, and now I'm doing the bald line. As you can see, we're going to grab the half, close it up all the way, and make a guideline, at least 1 inch. So you give yourself some space. And then from that, we go halfway and then fully open. We took off the guard. Now we're just doing lever open and just hitting the bottom of the line where I see a faint bald line. And then we go halfway, lever halfway, and then we eventually start closing it. Same steps for the side of the taper. We're doing a low taper, so we gotta keep it as low as possible. We're grabbing the half, fully open, make a guideline 1 inch, and just blend that out halfway, and then lever open. We took the guard off. We're doing the same thing. Lever open, halfway. My steps are pretty simple, you know. Once you get a guard, open, halfway, close. Simple steps. blending out the beard. And right here, we're doing the C cups. I prefer to do the C cups, so I can see the whole fade come to life. If that makes sense. You always want to make sure you don't push nobody back on the C cups, because then when it grows back, it's gonna be green. You don't want that. Just to save time, we line up the back neck and everything, so you can see the fade come to life, like I said. Right here, we're just combing through the hair, making sure everything's flat. His hair was wild, he's looking rough, but to bring him back to life though. Now we're doing number 1 guard open. And then we do the number 1 close. I believe I grabbed the half. Just touch it up right there with the low taper that you see. So basically the bottom of the 1 is where we left it, with the low taper. Doing the 1.5 open and then close. Already the fade is already looking good, but you still want to get the detail, You want to make yourself stand out from other barbers. Do the 1 open, just lightly with the corners. See it, look at the blend, it's coming to life. Yo, shout out to my cousin for this crazy beat. I put all his information right here. So from right here, we're gonna start fading down. We're gonna do 3, 2, 1.5, 1. Get it. Right here, we're doing the 3 close just to clean it up, just to blend in with the little fro he got going on. We're going with the grain. We're doing 2 with the grain. A lot of people, have trouble trying to blend in with the fro and with the hair on the sides. It's pretty simple, you just gotta blend with the guard going down. And then in the same time, you gotta blend going up. Now we're doing the 2 close.
Now we're gonna grab the 1.5 and go with the grain. We're gonna open it up and then eventually close it. It'll gradually start blending with the fro and giving that tight blend. After we soften it up with the 1.5 with the grain, we're gonna go against the grain with the 1.5 open and then close, just to blend it up some more. You see the blend coming to life? You see it? Now we slap on the one guard, open, and then eventually close it. There you go, we close it right here. His hair is it's crazy. You see how he came in, it was looking rough. His growth pattern is just insane. It grows different ways. Which is, to me, that's the hardest part for a barber, you know? The growth pattern, because his was crazy, man. But we're working with what we got. And we're making it a fresh cut no matter what. Now we're doing a one open, just flicking with the corner, just lightly. We won't create another line. Now we do the 1.5 and just touch it up, giving that detail. Woo, look at that blend. That's crispy right there, man. I feel like my techniques are the easiest and the most effective technique you could do, you know? As long as you follow it, you'll be good, man. You see, now we're just detailing with the clip. You see, look at the blend from the side. It's coming together. Watch when we line it up. You won't see everything pop out. When we hit the blade with that, it's a wrap. You'll get the client locked in. Look, with the lineup, we're gonna scrape it. Lever open, no guard. We're gonna scrape it. You'll see how it comes out.
You see the blend is coming together. Gotta make sure everything lays flat. You have to have a clean canvas. And if you guys are wondering what trimmers I'm using, is the wall detailers, cordless. You'll see them hit right now, look. See the hitters. Make sure you have a steady hand when doing the lineup. Look at that lineup, man. Look at that. Woo. That thing. That boy fresh. I want to line up the beard real quick. Look at that. One more time. Look at that. Oh. Haven't even used the blade on that yet. Keep keeping everything as natural as possible. That's a good technique too. Have them blow the air from the cheek. It makes it way crispier. You'll see right now. Look at that, it's coming together. Yes, sir. You see that? Look, you see what I did with the shaving gel? I brought all the hair down from the side and from the front. So everything, when I pass the blade with the grain, I'm doing the blade with the grain like that. You see it right there? I'm doing with the grain and against the grain. Get that crispier look. Yes, sir. You see that sharp lines, man? It's important to go with the grain with the razor. So we're gonna do the lineup part. That boy crispy. Alright, man, y'all made it to the end of the video. You see my step-to-step tutorial, you seen the results. If you want to learn more, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. And if you want to see any other videos, make sure to comment below what type of haircuts you want to see, and I'll make sure to post them. Make sure to follow me on IG at Crispy Johns. I'll leave it down below. See you guys in the next video.